Toppo Machinery Company Limited is a professional supplier for roll forming machine since 2013. We provide an extensive line of products, including trapezoidal and corrugated panel machine, tile roof machine, purlin machine, floor decking machine, and other associated equipment. We have an outstanding export team who will take your requests. The design team will prepare you the perfect products as per your specific requirements. Our experts and skilled workers complete the work with great precision. Our roll forming machine is equipped with PLC control to ensure high accuracy and easy operation. Our products have been sold worldwide, mainly for Africa and South America. We know well the particular requirements for the customers from different countries and regions. Service. Our company offers excellent service in addition to quality products, enabling us to get a great number of satisfied clients all over the world. Roll former service and part availability are all critical items to the purchase of a new roll forming machine. Our products come with 2-year warranty. Within the 2-year period for any part damaged due to quality problems, we offer the replacement parts to the client free of charge. We offer technical support for the entire life of our machines. Technicians can be sent to install and train the workers in clients' factories. Welcome customers from all over the world to cooperate with us on mutual benefit basis.